Hello everyone, good afternoon. And how was your day? I hope you guys have a very pleasant and good day. So, today I will tell you about something important on the workplace. Before that, if you still don't know about me, I will introduce myself first. So, my name is Yossio Netaya. I'm on 5th semester under Building Engineering Education, or you can say Pendidikan Teknik Bangunan. I'm here to fulfill my midterm, so pardon me if I still have many mistakes. Okay, so today we will talk about this assessment of safety and health practice in road construction by Barrel P, who study in Pokhara University, Nepal. By the title, did you guys already know what we're gonna discuss soon? Yeah, that's right. We're gonna discuss about safety and health, uh, PPA, or personal protective equipment, or in Indonesia we can say K3 atau keselamatan kesehatan kerja. Okay, so why in the workplace should be safety? We're gonna move to next slide to find the answer. Why does workplace have to be safe? Nah, construction industries significantly affect worker health and safety with many fatalities occurring, especially in developing countries. But now we're gonna talk about Nepal. So developing countries like Nepal, besides safety and health programs, Nepal, in Nepal proper execution is lacking. So improving health and safety standards is crucial for working for a healthier workplace. It's really essential for preventing accidents and injuries in the workplace. Next slide. Now, statement of the problem. So there is a problem that we think can be the factor why this accident always occurring. So Nepal's construction industry is still developing its approach to safety with lots of lack of fatalities and injuries occurring each year due to insufficient prevention measure. Nah, common accidents occur due to lack of controlling working environment and poor organization culture. Factor to these accidents are inadequate law, negligence by construction company and government, unskilled worker, and lack of safety awareness, particularly at the local level experience is limited. Okay, so why is workplace safety important? The first one, protect protect the employees. If we protect the employees, we can reduce the risk of injuries and illness. Now, after that, we can increase the productivity of the worker. Now, a safe work environment enhances employee morale and efficiency. And the last is reduce cost. So if we can protect employees, increase the productivity, so we can reduce the cost to minimize costs associated with accident, insurance, and legal issues. Okay, and the next is literature review. The writer cited several literature review. The first is PRO on 2008. It said that construction in developing countries more labor intensive than industrialized countries, requiring about 2.5 to a stunning 10 times the number of workers per activity. This means construction site is very busy with more people of a higher risk. It's not a good. So, and the next is there is Yossio et al. On 2011. Yossio said the implementation of health and safety in construction has not commensurate in the construction industry. The safety must be applicable to all area of the job. And the last one is Ahmad is et al. On 2013. Personal protection equipment or PPE include the clothing, goggles, helmet, and other garment is designed to protect the wearer body from injuries. Chemical biohazard and airborne particulate matter are protected too by personal PPE. Nah, PPE need to use to avoid from the fatalities and injuries on workplace, especially in construction. Okay, and the next we got methodology. This writer using a framework method to determine the data. Okay, this is the framework you can see and you can write it. The first the first thing first is statement of problem, and then the writer lists objective. After the research objective, the writer uh, reading a literature review. Then the writer has a data collection. In the data collection, there are two types. The one is primary data and the secondary data. And then the writer has data analysis, result and discussion, and conclusion and recommendations. Now, to generate the data, the writer uses questionnaire or survey and file observation. Okay, on the next slide, we got result and discussion. So, in Pokhara Metropolitan City Office should collaboration with the respective contractors. So, contractor can prioritize safety and health in construction. Excellent. Accelerating effort to bring actual practice related to road construction closer to the ILO Code of Conduct. ILO is ILO is International Labor Organization. So the PPA or the safety and health should be closer to the ILO Code of Conduct. And then the road construction project should be well analyzed in terms of safety before commencement of project, and the goal of safety should be included in planning part of project. And the last is and and the last is Pokhara Metropolitan City Road Section should order its entire branch to establish safety and health department to organize safety and health training and consultation of employers. Okay, the next slide we got effort to raise safety awareness. We got effort to raise safety awareness. The first one is safety campaign. The second one is workshop and drills. And the third one is visual reminder. The visual reminder is like a banner, poster on sign to remind employer of safety practice. Okay, we got structure of the text. Most of academic texts always have this structure, like introduction, literature review, methodology, result and discussion, also conclusion. In this journal or in this study, the writer talks about the impact of health and safety in construction in the introduction. And in the literature review, there is a concept that conduct analysis and classification of fact in the study conduction. On the methodology, the study using framework method and taking a survey and file observation. Framework method is used to determine the data. And then result and discussion. From the methodology is to define that level of safety practice and principles should adopted in the construction site to base the fatalities and injuries. Okay, and the next slide is, I think it's last but not least, is a conclusion. The conclusion about the study I'm talk about is practice of safety in Pokhara Metropolitan City Road construction, so correspondent to ILO, right? International Labour Organization. On road construction site, worker and supervisor are easily accessible. On road construction site, workers and supervisor are easily accessible human resource, but they are also vulnerable to health concern. Improving health and safety standard can make a healthier and a good workplace, with no more injuries and fatalities. I think that's it that I can tell to you guys. So if you have any comment or advice or criticism or anything, you can comment below. I'm sorry if not perfect yet. And yeah, I think that's it. I can say see you next time, I guess. And thank you for helping me. Bye bye, afternoon, and have a good day.